Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Moroccan lentil soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of brown or green lentils, rinsed well, along with 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks, all finely diced. Don't forget 4 cups of vegetable broth and 1 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes. These form the delicious base of our hearty soup. Now for the signature Moroccan flavors. Measure 1 teaspoon each of ground cumin, turmeric, and ginger. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a gentle warmth. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Sauté your diced onion, carrots, and celery until they are tender, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. This step builds a rich flavor foundation. Once your vegetables are soft, stir in all the spices and cook for just 1 minute until their aroma fills your kitchen. Next, add the rinsed lentils, the can of diced tomatoes, and the 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer gently. Allow it to cook for 25 to 30 minutes or until the lentils are tender. To finish, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh chopped cilantro and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. This brightens the flavors beautifully. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and black pepper as needed. Serve your delicious Moroccan lentil soup hot, perhaps with a side of crusty bread. It's a comforting and nutritious meal perfect for any day. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.